everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one's about Facebook and Facebook's new frequently asked questions option. Next time you log into Facebook, you might see this option right here where it's popped up and it's prompting you to try and get you to set this up. Okay, and you also might not. If you don't see this, you're going to need to know how to get to this setting manually. Let's go see how that's done right now. Okay, so next time you're inside of your Facebook business page and you want to get to that frequently asked questions setup, we'll show you how to get there. So first thing you do is come up here to the inbox and click on that. And it might take a second to load. Okay. As soon as that loads, come down here to automated responses on the left, click on that. Come over here to frequently asked questions and click on this. Make sure that it's turned on. Okay. So from here in the center, we'll see that we can click on edit. And here we have questions and responses. So we can add a question like, what time are you open? Right? You can have your hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 6. Right? And here's where we're going to add a button. And this is good from an SEO standpoint. I'm just going to center this a little bit by moving the bottom. Right. So the reason that this is important from an SEO standpoint is that you are adding another button which creates that external link that goes back to your site. All right, so here we have maybe our contact page, right? And here we'll have to say, and of course you'd be putting in your actual things here, and you probably be hoping to grab something a little more powerful than just your hours, but maybe some service that you provide, something like this, so that you can drive people to your site and answer that question, make a better user experience and get them there. And of course, we could add another button if we need to. We could add to menu, we have that clicked on. And of course, we can always add more questions. Right? So this should get you to the start of how all of this works. Frequently asked questions and how it can help your SEO and ranking when you drive more people from Facebook to answer their questions promptly and automated, so you don't have to handle quite as much in-house, and also hopefully drive them to your website to get more time on your pages, more unique IPs, more interaction, which will help that ranking for your individual services. And of course, you want to set these up for all of the frequently asked questions that you have. And when you're done, go ahead and click on save. Right. I hope this helps in driving your SEO higher with a simple tutorial. If you need any more help, come on over to BTFOOM.com to the contact page, get in touch with us. You can get set up for more in-depth, real member videos to get you up to date and informed on everything that you need to do in the SEO world to help your business ranking. You can also ask about common tasks that we provide. Thanks, and I hope this helps.